Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where log of x base 2 plus log of x base 5 is equal to 6. Or we know a logarithm formula log of a base b is equal to log of a over log of b. Now apply this formula here. We can write log of x over log of 2 plus similarly here we can write log of x base log of 5 is equal to 6. Or now taking common log of x, we will get log of x times 1 over log of 2 plus 1 over log of 5 is equal to 6. Or log of x times, here LCM is log of 2 times log of 5, so we can write here log of 2 times log of 5. Log of 2 divided by this, we will get log of 5. Now log of 5 times 1 is log of 5 plus similarly here we will get log of 2 is equal to 6. Or now again we know an logarithm formula log of AB is equal to log of A plus log of B. Now apply this formula. Here we can write log of 5 times 2 is log of 10. Now log of x times, apply this formula, here we can write log of 5 times 2, that means log of 10, here base is 10 over log of 2 times log of 5 is equal to 6. Or log of x times, we know that log of 10 base 10 is 1, so we can write here 1 over log of 2 times log of 5 is equal to 6. Or now 1 times log of x, that means log of x over this log of 2, taking here we will get 6 times log of 2, so we can write here log of 5 is equal to 6 times log of 2. Or again apply this formula. Here we can write log of x base 5 is equal to 6 times log of 2. Now taking base 5 on both sides, we can write here 5 to the power log of x base 5 is equal to 5 to the power 6 times log of 2. Now we know another logarithm formula a to the power log of b base a is equal to b. Now apply this formula. Here we will get x, or x is equal to 5 to the power 6 times log of 2. So our final answer is x is equal to 5 to the power 6 times log of 2, and it is our final answer. Now check. Our questions have given log of x base 2 plus log of x base 5 is equal to 6. Log of x base 2 plus log of x base 5 is equal to 6, or log of x, that means 5 to the power 6 times log of 2. So we can write here 5 to the power 6 times log of 2 base 2 plus log of x, that means 5 to the power 6 times log of 2 base 5 is it equal to 6. We know another logarithm formula, log of a to the power n is equal to n times log of a. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 6 times log of 2 times log of 5 base 2, plus similarly here we can write 6 times log of 2 times log 5 base 5. Now we know that log 5 base 5 is 1, so here we can write 1 is it equal to 6. Or now taking common 6 times log of 2, 6 times log of 2, here we will get log of 5 base 2 plus here we will get 1 is it equal to 6. Or 6 log of 2 times, now here we can write log of 5 over log of 2 plus 1 is it equal to 6. Or 6 times, now multiplying this log of 2, here we will get log of 2 times log of 5 over log of 2 plus 1 times log of 2, that means log of 2 is it equal to 6. Or 6 times this log of 2 cancel out this log of 2, so here we will get log of 5 plus log of 2 is it equal to 6. Or 6 times, now apply formula, here we can write log of 5 times 2, that means 10, and here base is 10 is it equal to 6. So 6 and log of 10 base 10 is 1, so 6 times 1 is 6, so 6 is equal to 6, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our final value of x is equal to 5 to the power 6 times log of 2 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.